Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to show you how I build my raised bed garden here at the property, and at the end of the video I'll go over the cost to build with you. So let's turn this blank space into this. Alright, so now we're going to measure them, each board at 4 feet, and make our cuts so that we can make our sides. And I'm not trying for perfection here. A lot of my tools are still in storage, so I'm just wanting it to be close. Got to butt it up. That's pretty good right there. It's not perfect, but it's in between the lines. It's not perfect. And that's okay, because I am not a carpenter. Oh, well hello there. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor. Press the like button and subscribe for more content like this. In the comments, tell me what you think about this simple garden bed. Tell me what kind of garden beds you use. Do you use above ground beds? Do you plant in the ground? I've always tried to plant in the ground. I've only had one other raised bed before, and it was nothing like this one. So I'm real interested to hear your thoughts. Solve my no brackets issue. I was going to originally take this 2x4 and cut it down and brace the tops of the corners, and then have a little pocket right here that was for like herbs or something like that. But instead what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take and put these in. I'm not going to bury this into the ground, this 2x4. I'm just going to screw it in on all four corners here around, and then that way it'll keep this top piece from sliding off the bottom piece once I get all my material in here and everything like that. Let me get it marked. measuring over there. Just gonna use this one. It'll be close enough. Remember, I am not a carpenter. So this is not perfectly level. And really, I'm not embarrassed by that. And neither should you. Do the best you can with what you got. All you need is good rich soil to grow vegetables in. You don't need a big beautiful garden bed. It can be the ugliest looking garden bed you've ever seen in your life, and that's okay. It's a shelf. Countersunk it and didn't need to. Now that's a carpentry word. So the dimensions of this box are going to be put down in the description, but it's a 4x4 square. I took a 2x12 by 8, cut them in half right at the 4 foot mark. So, but I'll put all that down in the description for you. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go over the cost as well, so stick around. Check to see if it's still level. Ain't a whole lot we can do about it now if it ain't. Oh yeah. Oh, look at us. We know what we're doing. Never checked it this way. Pretty good. Pretty good. Look at us. Well, there you go, folks. There's a simple and easy raised bed to make. I built this one in about an hour out here today. If you add in the 10 minutes for the pre-cut, the 2x12s that I did, you know, I built it basically an hour and about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's not too bad. As promised, here's the list of materials that I used to build this raised bed and the cost per item with the total cost. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to get out there and live the adventure.